What a completely insane day it has been here today. Earlier, we saw the SEC be clowned. I'm going to talk to you about something that broke right now. On the one hand, this is hilarious, but on the other, there is a need for action. It goes without saying that we will discuss XRP and Ripple, guys. We just ask that you drop an X, hit the like button, and share the video if you enjoy discussing about these two topics. Inform others on the real developments taking place in this breaking digital revolution. The goal of Congress is to disband the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve Board Abolition Act seeks to eliminate the Federal Reserve in any revolutionary way. System, upending the global financial community. This bill, introduced by Thomas Massie, states that the Federal Reserve is responsible for the devastating inflation that Americans are experiencing under COVID-19 and demands the entire expulsion of the Board of Governors and all Federal Reserve institutions within a year. To allow for previously unheard of deficit spending, the Federal Reserve printed trillions of dollars out of thin air and lent them to the Treasury Department. The Federal Reserve now depreciated the dollar and allowed free money practices that resulted in significant inflation by monetizing the debt. As we can see, the Federal Reserve, the Treasury Department, Wall Street, large banks, and the White House are all working together closely to monetize debt. Through this process, pensioners watch as their savings disappear as a result of the central bank's inflationary policies, which favor the well-connected and rich. The best course of action to truly lower inflation is to abolish the Federal Reserve. The idea of abolishing the Federal Reserve is currently being discussed, however, it will undoubtedly be difficult. Guys, let me also quickly bring this to your attention. It's a lovely example of a use case involving the XRPL interoperability cross-border capabilities, access to Canadian banking, and Bitcoin mortgage payments through the XRPL QR code payment system. Examine it. Our product is currently available on the XR Pledger. We will finally have access to banking, which is the announcement we will be making in the upcoming months. I can't emphasize enough how crucial it was, because without financial access, our software is essentially a vault, and doesn't matter how cool it is. But we did get it this year, and as a result, we are launching a few of the intriguing feature requests that require payment. You make a bespoke invoice, the counterparty scans it, and you can pay invoices just like Stefan asked. Once more, it has everything to do with the payment method that uses QR codes. In addition, we are working to collaborate with the larger ecosystem so that we can facilitate international transactions, since the amazing thing about the blockchain is that it operates without regard to jurisdiction. Therefore, we should be able to use the app to facilitate cross-border payments for customers as long as the commercial agreements are in place. Imagine that all you have is Bitcoin and you want to pay off your mortgage since you have an upcoming payment. Realtor says, no, please accept Canadian dollars. You may also place a reverse order. Gentlemen, you will soon be able to do anything and anything with the XRPL. As this technology continues to advance, it is what we are witnessing. More developers are joining the XRPL and making extensive use of this technology beyond merely international money transfers. Gentlemen, with XRP at the center by code, we have a glorious future ahead of us. As we previously discussed, Senator Cynthia Lummis of the United States now has her sights set firmly on Bitcoin following the passage of pro-crypto legislation in the Senate. Guys, all I'm seeing on my feeds these days is senators debating who is a stronger supporter of cryptocurrency. According to Blockchain Supporter, things are starting to become interesting, with people uniting against Elizabeth Warren and Gensler. And what perfect timing we have here today, folks. The Senate voted 51 to 121 to remove Gensler's anti-crypto rule. What exquisite timing. And you know what? Election season is upon us. Trump is going to attack SAB 121 if Biden vetoes it. That is entirely true. He supports cryptocurrency. He intends to fully embrace cryptocurrency and make it a significant electoral topic. According to Chad Stingrubber, either result will be beneficial to us. This area is the scene of events. And I understand that when things are tough on a daily basis and you notice that XRP is stagnating, you tell yourself to keep winning. This isn't the stock market, folks. Not the SP 500 this. We do not need to wait 20 or 30 years. It is currently taking place. This year it is taking place. There is legislation pending. SEC is being taken advantage of. Guys, guess what? The entire bull run is still ahead of us. There will be an altcoin season. All that needs to happen is time. It's not whether. The question is when. And I think we're getting very, very close. From a technological perspective, which coin is suppressed? Having the wet blanket, which I have discussed numerous times on Ripple, stifled by an SEC. Who, though, is going to turn on the lights and open the blinds? Guys, I think it's XRP. Personally, I think it would be completely stupid to exit XRP at this time. Naturally, I'm not going to act in that manner. Guys, please share with me all of your ideas and comments regarding our discussion today. Quite the hectic day, but overall it was a terrific day and very positive for cryptocurrencies. Guys, the price action will come, but first we must enjoy our successes. When our industry achieves success, we should celebrate it because, in the end, it drives favorable pricing action. For now, that is all I have to offer you. Clicking the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons is okay. See you in the next one, everyone.